Uh, so from shloka number 198, so it is type of a kavacham. Kavachamna armor. And the Madri here, Durvasa Bhagavan, Durvasa Maharshi, he is praying for Ambal. Hey Ambal, please protect my this part of the body. Hey Ambal, please protect my this part, this aspect of my life. He starts praying. So he has had the darshan of Ambal and he has done stotram of Ambal as well. Elaborately, all the stotram of Ambal, everything has been described. And now he is prayer time. Now he is praying. Okay, Ambal, please protect me from this side. Please protect my head. Please protect my shoulders. Please protect my please protect my valor. He is praying for all the protections in these shlokas. So now what he says, shloka number 199. Shloka number 198, we already saw. Lalita me shiropathu. Let Lalita protect my head. Shiraha protect. Lalata mambacha madhumati rupa. Lalata means netri. Lalata means forehead. Let the Ambal Madhumati protect my forehead. Bhruyugmancha Bhavani. Let Bhavani protect my eyebrows. Pushpacharachu, Pushpacharapatu Lochana Dvantam. Let Pushpachara, let Ambal called as Pushpachara, Pushpashara, let her protect my eyes, 2 eyes. Now he is continuing. Payan Nasam Bala. Let Bala Tripura Sundari protect my nose. Bala Tripura Sundari is the daughter of Kameshwara and Lalita Parabhattarika. So the baby girl, baby lord abdin solla. So let that Ambal protect my nose. Payan Nasam Bala Subhaga Dantamscha. Let the Ambal called as Subhaga. Subhaga, that Ambal which gives us a lot of Shubham, Shubham, Mangalam, auspiciousness. Let that Ambal called as Shubhaga. We have to remember all these are just different names of Lalita Parameshwari. Let that Ambal protect everything. He is just giving one epithet, one adjective, one specialized name for Ambal, and he says, let that Ambal protect me. So the Ambal called us Subhaga. Let that Ambal, the giver of all the Sukha, Shubham, auspiciousness, let that Ambal protect my Dantaha. Dantaha means our tooth, teeth. Dantaha, not teeth, pal. Let that Ambal protect our tooth. Sundaricha Jihvam. Sundari, let that Ambal called as Sundari protect our tongue. வேதத்துல ஒரு பிரார்த்தனையே வருது. சிஹ்வா மே மதுமத்தமா கர்ணா ஆப்யாம் பூரி விஸ்ருவம் பிரம்மண கோஷோசி மேதயா பிஹிதः ஸ்ருதம் மே கோபாயா ஆவஹந்தி விதன்வானா குர்வாணாச்சீரமாத்மனः வாசாகும் சிமமகாவஸ்ச annapane cha sarvada jihva me madhumattama. Let my jihva, let honey be present in my tongue. அப்படிங்கிற வேதத்துல ஒரு இதுவே வருது. Let my tongue, let honey be present in my tongue. Meaning what? நம்ம பேசுறதெல்லாம் தேன் மாதிரி அடுத்தவாளுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயமா பேசணும். Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, nabruyat, satyam apriyam, says Shastra. Satyam bruyat, you have to speak the truth. Priyam bruyat, you have to speak whatever which is liked by the others. Nabruyat, satyam apriyam, even though it is satyam, if you don't speak auspicious words, if you don't speak in a good manner to your near and dear, it is not going to be worthful, says Shastra. Let Sundari protect my jihva, protect my tongue. Abdina ennartham. It is not physical protection. It is not only physical protection. It is also the proper use of my jihva. Because Thiruvalluvar சொல்றார் யாகாவாராயினும் நாகாக்க சோகாப்பர் சோகாப்பர் காவாக்கால் சோகாப்பர் சொல்லிழுக்குப்பட்டு அப்படிங்கிற. If you don't protect anything else, if you don't control anything else, that is fine. But if you don't protect your tongue, then it is not going to be good for you. Yagavaarayinum naakakka kavakal sogapar sollilukupattu. So when we are saying, when Durvasa Acharya is saying jihva, Sundari Jihvam, he is not only talking about the physical protection of the tongue, but he says, let that Ambal be present in my tongue, and let my tongue do whatever that is thing it is supposed to do, and not something else. Let that Ambal be sitting in my tongue and protect this tongue from going in other direction, from going in undesirable directions. So Sundari Jihvam. Adaroshtam Adishaktihi. Adaroshtam, Oshta means lips. Let that Adishakti, primordial Shakti, protect my lips. Chakreshi Patume Chiram Shibukam. Let that Chakreshi, Ambal called as Chakreshi, let that Ambal protect my chin. Chakreshi Patume Chiram Shibukam. Next shloka. Kameshwari Chakarnau Kamakshi Padu Gandayor Yugalam. Kameshwari Chakarnau. Let that Ambal Kameshwari protect my Karnau ears. Bhadrangarne Vishrunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pashe Vakshabhiryajatraha Sthirairangai Stuštavagum Shastanobhihi Yashema Devahitan Yadayuhu, says Vedas. Bhadram Karne Vishrunuyama Devaha. Bhadram Karne Bihi Shrunuyama. Hey Deva. So the prayer is, hey Devas, hey please gods, let only auspicious things come and fall into my ears. Means what? Let me hear only auspiciousness, only auspicious things in with my ears. Let me not hear any amangala vastu. Let me not hear any amangala vakyam. Abdingaradam prayer. Adhan inge kekra. Kameshwari Chakarno. Again, protect ears. Now, what is the matter with protecting the ears? Okay, protecting the ears from diseases, that is one, that is, one meaning. But the real meaning is, let my ears only hear only the auspicious things. Amangalamana vastukal, amangalamana vakyangal, eduvum en kaadala vila vendam. Kameshwari Chakarno, Kamakshi Padu Gandayor Yugalam. My cheeks, let my cheeks be protected by Kamakshi. Shringara Nayika Vyat Vadanam. Vadanam means Mukham. In Sanskritam, there is no word for, there is no separate word for mouth in Sanskritam. In the same way, in Tamil, there is no separate word for face. So, அது ஒரு சிலேடையே சொல்லுவா. தமிழ்ங்கிறது முகமில்லாத மொழி, சம்ஸ்கிருதம்ங்கிறது வாயில்லாத மொழி அப்படின்னு ஒரு சிலேடையா சொல்லுவா. முகமில்லாத மொழி தமிழ். ஏன்னா தமிழ்ல முகம் அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தையை, ஃபேஸ் அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தையை டினோட் பண்றதுக்கு வேற வார்த்தை கிடையாது. முகம்ங்கிறது சம்ஸ்கிருத வார்த்தை. அதே மாதிரி in சம்ஸ்கிருதம் there is no word to denote just the organ mouth. Ava இப்ப vadanamna, it literally means face, but here we have to take it as the lips, because that is what the meaning intended here. Shringara Nayika Vyat Vadanam. Let that Ambal called as Shringara Nayika protect my lips, protect my mouth. Simhasaneshwari cha Galam. Galam means neck. Let that Ambal Simhasaneshwari protect my neck, says Acharya here. Going on to the next shloka. Skanda Prasuscha Padu skandau. Skanda prasuscha padu skandau. Skandaha means tol. The shoulders is called as skandaha in Sanskritam. Skanda prasuscha patu skandau. Ambal is skanda prasu. In Lalita Sahasranama class, we saw the word prasu means mother. Adunadana prasavam அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தையே வந்தது. பிரசவம்னா என்ன? To give birth to somebody. So prasu, prasuti, all these things means mother. Skanda prasu, the mother of Skanda, Skandamata. Skandamata, let Skandamata protect my shoulders. Bahucha patalangi me. Patala angi. Patala means red color. Patala angi. Ambal is red in color, right? Udikindra sengadir, Uchittilagam, Unarvudayor Madikindra Manikam, Madulam Podu, Malarkamale. Everything is red with respect to Ambal. Sinduraruna Vigraham, Trinayanam, Arunam, Karuna Tarangitakshim, Sakunkuma Vilepanam. Ambal is red in color everywhere. So, Patalangi means that one who is red in color. Patalangi ennatha protect pannanum? Bahu. Bahu, shoulders. So, let a patalangi protect my shoulders. So, skandaha means shoulders. Bahu means bhujam, the arms. So, let her protect my arms. Pani cha padma nilaya. Pani means hand. சக்கரபாணி அப்படிங்கிறோம். சக்கரபாணினா என்ன? சக்கர தண்ணியாச்சு. பாணினா தண்ணின்னு ஹிந்தியில. சக்கரபாணினா சக்கர தண்ணி குடிச்சுட்டே இருப்பாரா? இல்ல, சக்கரத்தை கையில வச்சுட்டு இருக்கிறவர் சக்கரபாணி. பாணி மீன்ஸ் ஹேண்ட். சக்கர, சுதர்சன சக்கரம். Mahavishnu has got Sudarsana Chakra in his hand. That is why he is called as Chakrapani. Parameshwara is called as Pinakapani. Pinakam gardu Parameshwaran கையில வச்சுட்டு இருக்கிற வில். Pinakapani. Parameshwara has got Pinaka in his hand. That is why Parameshwara is called as Pinakapani. Rama is called as Kodandapani because he has got Kodanda in his hand. That is why Rama is called as Kodandapani. Skanda, Muruha is called as Dandapani. Dandam, கையில ஒரு குச்சி வச்சுட்டு இருக்கார். அதனால ஸ்கந்தனுக்கு தண்டபாணின்னு பேரு. So Pani means hand. Pani cha Padma Nilaya. Padma Nilaya, that Ambal who is present on lotus flower. Let that Ambal protect my hands. Pani cha Padma Nilaya. Payat Anisham Nakavalir Vijaya. Vijaya, let that Ambal called as Vijaya protect my Nakavali. Naka Avali. Deepa Avali means a row of Deepa is called as Deepa Avali. Nama Avali. Namavali means what? A row of a series of namas is called as a Nama Avali. In the same way, Nakha Avali means my row of nails. Handle இருக்கிற nail வந்து அப்படி row ஆட்டம் இருக்கணும். அதனால நகாவலி அப்படிங்கிறார். பாயாது அனிஷம். அனிஷம் means எப்போதும், always. Let that Vijaya always protect my நக ஆவலி. கையில நக சுத்தி இதெல்லாம் வராமல் என்னை காப்பாற்றட்டும் அப்படின்னு வேண்டிக்கிறார். ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 202. கோதண்டனீச்ச வக்ஷஹா குக்ஷிஞ்சாவ்யாத் குலாச்சல தனுஜா கல்யாணீச்ச வலக்னம் கட்டிம்பாயாத் கலாதர சிகண்டா கோதண்டினீச்ச வக்ஷஹா. Kodanda, even though Kodanda is the specific name of that bow that Rama has got. Only Rama's will is called as Kodandam. ஆனா இங்க அம்பாளுக்கே கோதண்டினி அப்படிங்கிறா. Because Ambal is none other than Rama. Karanguli Nakotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi. Says Lalita Sahasranama. All the Dasha avatars, all the Dashavataras of Vishnu came from the Nakha of Ambal, says Lalita Sahasranama. So Ambal is nothing, Rama is nothing but Ambal only. Even in fact, in Devathin Kural, Mahaperiyava also says this, Rama is nothing but Ambal. In fact, Mahaperiyava connects that with the Ramayana, with the Ravana. Ravana was a great Shiva Bhakta. Right, Ravana was a great Shiva Bhakta. He wanted Parameshwara to be present in Sri Lanka. And that is why he wanted to take the Himachala. He wanted to take the entire Himalayas, Kailasa from Himalayas. He wanted to place that Himalaya, Kailasa Parvata into Sri Lanka. And you know what happened after that? We all know. Because Ambal is Rama, what should be Sita? Sita should be Parameshwara, right? Paramapariyava says, maybe that is why Ravana, he kidnapped Sita, because Sita is Parameshwara, Ravana is a great Shiva Bhakta. Maybe Ravana, because he failed to bring Parameshwara onto Sri Lanka at that time, he remembered that this time he took Sita Mata to Sri Lanka. Abdina Mahaperiyava Devathin Kuralla or speciality the where or soldier. I'm just remembering that. So Kodandini is Ambal is Kodandini because Ambal is Rama. Kodandanicha Vakshaha. Vakshaha chest. So let my chest be protected by Kodandini. Ambal who has Kodanda in her hand. Kukshinchavyat kulachala tanuja. Kukshihi. Kukshihi means stomach. Kukshincha avyat kulachala tanuja. Kula achala tanuja. Himavan tanuja, daughter. Daughter of Himalaya Parvata. Let that Parvati Devi, who is the daughter of Himalaya Parvata, Himavan, protect my stomach. Kukshinchavyat kulachala tanuja kalyani cha valagnam. Valagnam means waist. Let that Ambal called as Kalyani protect my waist. Katinchapayat kaladara shikhanda. Kaladara shikhanda katinchapayat. So katihi means weight. Valagnam means side. So Katinchapayat Kaladhara Shikanda. Kaladhara Shikanda. That Ambal who has got Kaladhara. Kaladhara means what? That Ambal who has got Chandra on her forehead. So let that Ambal protect my Kati part, my waist part. Next shloka. Urudhvayancha Payat. Uma Urudhvayancha Payat Uma. Let that Ambal called as Uma protect my Uru. Uru means thighs. Let that Ambal protect my thighs. Urudhvayancha Payat Uma Mridanicha Januni Rakshet. In fact, in the Urudhvayam, I just wanted to mention one thing. The Urvashi abdinu or Apsaras irka. And the Urvasiங்கிறவ ஊருலந்து வந்ததுனால தான் அவளுக்கு ஊர்வசின்னு பேரு. Uru, I don't want to get into that story, but that Urvashi, she came from the thigh of a person. She was born out of thigh of a person. That is why she is called as Urvashi. Uruvashi, Urvashi. So Urudvayam means thigh. Let that Uma protect my Uru. Mridani cha Januni Rakshet. Mridani, Parameshwara is called as Mrida. And Ambal is called as Mridani. Januni Rakshet, Murangal. Let that Ambal protect my Murangal. Murangal na knee, kneecap, knee. Let that Ambal protect my Murangal. Kneecap replacement surgery la in the Ambal vendinda varat. Panniga venda. Mridani cha Januni Rakshet. Janghe cha Shodashime. Let that Ambal called as Shodashi protect my calves. Pinnangal, Kanukkal. Let that Ambal called as Shodashi protect my calf region. Payat Padaucha Pasha Shrunihasta. Pasha Shrunihasta, that Ambal who has got a Pasha and Ankusha on her hand. Because Ambal Lalita Parameshwari Pashankushamum Karumbu Villum Sertale. So she has got Pasha and Ankusha on her hand. Payat Padaucha Pasa Shrunihasta. Let that Ambal protect my Padau. Pada we all know. My feet. And then now, so because he actually asked Ambal to protect from top to bottom, now he's saying time wise. Okay, morning this Ambal should protect me. Evening this Ambal should protect me. In the night this Ambal should protect me. So time wise he is saying which Ambal should protect. Pratah Patu Paramam. Let that Ambal called as Para. பரா அப்படிங்கிறது அம்பாளோட பேரு பராசக்தி அப்படின்லாம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா பரா so let that ambal para let that parambal protect me in the morning prataha means morning pratah patu paramam madhyanne patu manigrihadisha chintamani griha ambal is present in chintamani griha manigriha adisha the Isha, the Talaivi, the master, Maharagi, the Grihini of Chintamani Griha, let that Ambal protect me in the afternoon, in the noon time. Madhyanaha means noon time. Sharvani Avatucha Sayam. Parameshwara is called as Sharva, not Sarva, but Sharva. Parameshwara is called as Sharva. Ambal is therefore called as Sharvani. Sharvani Avatucha Sayam. Sayam means afternoon, evening. Let that Ambal protect me. Sharvani protect me in the evening time. Payat Ratraucha Bhairavi Sakshat. In the night called as Bhairavi. In the night an Ambal called as Bhairavi. Let her protect me. Abdin Ketuta. From up until this point, the protection is only for one's own self. Let that Ambal protect me. In the next shloka, we never pray only for ourselves, right? We always pray for others. Kale varshatu parjanyaha prithvi shashasharini deshoyam kshobarahitaha sajjana santu nirbhaya loka samasta sikino bhavantu abdindana solron nama. So, in the next shloka, all my relatives should be protected. Bharya Rakshatu Gauri. Let that Ambal called as Gauri protect my spouse. Because only if the family is proper, we can do our own sadhana. If the family is uncooperative for our sadhana, then we cannot do, right? So here, Bharya literally means wife, but it means spouse here. So, Bharya Rakshatu Gauri. Let that Ambal called as Gauri protect my spouse. Bharya Rakshatu Gauri. Payat Putramscha Bindu Griha Pitha. Bindu Griha Pitha. Ambal is called as Bindu Mandala Vasini. That is Bindu Mandala Madhyastha. Sri Chakrataliye, the middle round portion is called as Bindusthana. So that Ambal who has got a Bindu as her home, Bindu Tarpana Santushta Abdina Lalita Sasnamatla Vartiliya. So that Ambal who has got a Bindu as her home, let her protect my sons and daughters. Payat Putramscha, sons and daughters. Shri Vidyacha Yashome. Let that Ambal called as Shri Vidya protect my Yashas. Yashas means fame. I have to be famous, right? No apavada should come to me. Nobody should gossip about me. No apavada should come to me. No avamanam should come to me. That is why that Ambal called as Shri Vidya protect my fame. Shilanchavyat Chiram Maharagni. Not only that we should have fame, but we should also have acharam. That is much more important. He has given the most important thing in the end. Sheelam, achara sheelaha. What is the use of getting good health, good family, good wealth, if we don't have any achara, achara hinaha, people don't respect, you can probably have respect here, but once you go up, if you don't have any punya, பொருள் இல்லாருக்கு இவ்வுலகம் இல்லை, அருள் இல்லாருக்கு அவ்வுலகம் இல்லை, says திருவள்ளுவர். If you don't have enough ஆச்சாரா, if you don't have நன்னடத்தை, if you don't have ஒழுக்கம், ஒழுக்கம் விழுப்பம் தரலாம், ஒழுக்கம் உயிரினும் ஓம்பப்படும், says திருவள்ளுவர். Achara, it is even more valuable than one's own life, says Thiruvalluvar in Thirukkural. In fact, Mahaperiyava says in Devathun Kural, Acharaha அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ஒழுக்கம் அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். So அந்த ஆச்சாரத்தை we might want to follow some kind of achara, but if I want to follow achara, okay, I want to do the Ekadasi Vratam. I want to have Vratam in Ekadasi. For that, first our own body should cooperate. I should not have acidity. I should not have, glucose. My glucose should not come into play. Low glucose Ida. So my body should cooperate. And then people surrounding me should cooperate. So I need a lot of others' cooperation to follow our own achara. So we are asking, hey Maharajni, let her protect my achara. Let her help so that I can follow my achara. Abdina kekrar. So we will finish with this shloka. Rest we will see in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.